Firestone Walker trusts Domino printers because they work. Firestone Walker Brewing Company, we're based out of Paso Robles, California. We've been in this facility for the last 9 years. We've almost quadrupled in size since then, and we're looking to basically double in size from where we are over the next 2 years. We produce a pretty wide range of products here. We have about 17 core brands that we're producing at any given time under the Firestone umbrella. So right now, this year, we'll do about 3.5 million case equivalents total of beer through the 3 lines that we have. We have a can line, a keg line, and a bottle line. I think that one of the unique things about the relationship that Firestone shares with their customers is that I think that we've earned their trust over the years. I think that we make a very high quality product, and I think that we're dedicated to executing and making as good of a product as we can. We're only as good as the worst customer experience that we have. So we try to do everything we can to ensure that each bottle that goes out, each keg that goes out, each can that goes out is proper, the label's on correctly, it's date coded correctly, everything looks good on it, and we're giving the best possible projection of our brand that we can in the market. So for us, one of the critical elements of packaging, besides all the design features and the labels, is the date code. And the date code is there to remind the customer that their beer is fresh. It's our commitment to them, to show them, give them full visibility of when our beer was packaged and ensure that they're receiving the freshest possible product in the market. As a management team, we decided about 3 years ago that it was critical that we have visibility of date coding on all packages. And when we were doing that, we found that a laser would be the cleanest, the best looking application. And in looking at all of the options out there, we found the Domino to be the best quality, the best value, and the right laser for our application. Since switching to the Domino lasers on the date coding of the bottles, we've had almost no downtime due to date coding equipment. They just run. They run smoothly, they run well, they run all day, they don't stop. Which is what I care about. Downtime's the enemy. I think a big reason that we don't have those problems is we have a great service technician in Darren Maxwell who's here whenever we need him. I mean, the biggest thing for us is that he comes in and does 2,000-hour preventative maintenances, and those keep us from having that downtime. He's here with the parts he needs on time, gets them scheduled when it's convenient for me, and we get it all taken care of and we don't lose time. So that's more what it is. It's the preventative maintenance. It's not that the things are breaking constantly. It's that if you don't take care of them, they won't work, and he helps us take care of them. I mean, I think the other guys make okay printers as well, but if they can't service them and keep them running and provide me that same support with somebody that I get along with and does a really good job for us, I'm not interested. I mean, for me, this business, in the same way the beer business, is about relationships, and I've got a great relationship with Domino.
Thanks, Domino.
Thanks, Domino.
Thanks, Domino.